Have you ever wondered if we are truly alone in the universe? With over 5,000 exoplanets discovered, scientists are searching for signs of life. Today, we explore the top 10 planet and moon with the highest potential for life beyond Earth. Based on the latest 2025 data from NASA and the James Webb Space Telescope. From hidden ocean to mysterious atmosphere, let's dive into the unknown. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more about the universe. Starting with number 10, Enceladus, the icy moon of Saturn. Although it lies more than 1.4 billion kilometers away from Earth, it hides something truly extraordinary. Beneath its frozen crust lies a vast global ocean of liquid water, and within that ocean, scientists have detected hydrogen and carbon, the very building blocks, and the food source for microscopic life. But that's not all. Enceladus regularly shoots giant plumes of water vapor and ice particles into space through cracks in its icy shell. These plumes act like natural space probes, carrying material directly from the hidden ocean below into the reach of our spacecraft. In 2025, NASA's mission is carefully analyzing those tiny particles. Each grain of ice could contain chemical signatures, even possible biosignatures, that hint at life beyond Earth. So when we look at Enceladus, we're not just seeing a frozen moon. We're peering into one of the most promising habitats for alien life in our entire solar system. At number 9, Europa, the icy moon of Jupiter. Smaller than Earth's moon, yet hiding an extraordinary secret. Beneath its thick, frozen crust lies a vast global ocean, even deeper than all of Earth's oceans combined. Liquid water, combined with tidal energy from Jupiter's immense gravity, may create the perfect environment to support microbial life. Scientists believe that if life exists on Europa, it could thrive around cracks and vents at the seafloor, places where energy and nutrients are released. These environments are strikingly similar to hydrothermal vents deep in Earth's oceans, where life itself may have first begun. To uncover this mystery, NASA launched the Europa Clipper mission in 2024, and by early 2025, the first streams of data are arriving, promising to reveal vital evidence, from surface structures and the composition of the icy shell to chemical traces rising from the hidden ocean below. If Europa truly harbors life, it could become the very first world beyond Earth where humanity discovers we are not alone. At number 8, Mars, our neighboring world, and perhaps the most familiar planet beyond Earth. From a distance, its rust-red deserts may look barren and lifeless, yet beneath the dust and rock, Mars hides a mysterious past. Billions of years ago, this dry planet once held flowing rivers, vast lakes, and even oceans. Ancient water carved valleys and left behind minerals that could only form in liquid water. And even today, scientists detect traces of methane in its thin atmosphere, a gas that on Earth often comes from living microbes. In 2025, NASA's Perseverance rover has delivered one of its most exciting findings yet: the discovery of complex organic molecules within Martian rocks. These building blocks of life are not proof of living organisms, but they suggest that Mars once had the right conditions for life to emerge. Even more promising is the Mars Sample Return mission, already preparing to bring pieces of the red planet back to Earth for the very first time. Within those samples may lie the answer to one of humanity's greatest questions. Did life ever arise on Mars? Mars reminds us that sometimes the closest places may hold the deepest secrets. At number 7, Teegarden Star B, a fascinating world, orbiting a small red dwarf star just 12 light-years away. That may sound impossibly far, yet in cosmic terms, it makes Teegarden Star B one of our closest neighbors. What makes this planet remarkable is its size and location. Roughly the same size as Earth, and orbiting right within the star's habitable zone where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist. Astronomers calculate its Earth Similarity Index, or ESI, to be among the highest ever found. In other words, Teegarden's Star B may be one of the most Earth-like worlds we have ever discovered. The 2025 data reveals promising hints, suggesting the planet could have a stable atmosphere capable of protecting water on its surface. If true, that means Teegarden's Star B might not just be a barren rock, but a living, breathing world. Imagine standing there, under the dim red glow of its parent star, oceans reflecting the light, clouds drifting slowly across an alien sky. It could be one of the best places to search for life. So close, yet still just out of reach. Teegarden Star B reminds us that the universe may hold many worlds like our own, waiting to be discovered. At number 6, LHS 1140b. This is a fascinating super-Earth, orbiting a calm red dwarf star, only 48 light-years away. What makes it so intriguing is that it lies directly in the star's habitable zone. That means the temperature could allow liquid water to exist, perhaps not just in small lakes, but as a vast global ocean covering the entire planet. In 2025, astronomers used spectral analysis to peer into its secrets. The data revealed traces of hydrogen and even water vapor in the atmosphere. These discoveries raise the possibility that LHS 1140b could be far more than just a rocky world. It could be a true ocean planet, a place where alien life might already be swimming beneath endless waves. Among the many exoplanets we've found, LHS 1140b stands out as one of the top candidates for life beyond Earth. A reminder that just beyond the darkness, there may be worlds not unlike our own, waiting to be explored. At number 5, Gliese 12, Boy B. This remarkable planet was only discovered in 2025, and it has already captured the imagination of scientists. Located just 40 light-years away, Gliese 12b is practically a neighbor on the cosmic scale. What makes it so exciting is its Earth-like nature. Similar in both size and density to our own planet, it orbits its star right within the habitable zone, the region where liquid water could exist. That alone makes it a world worth watching. But there is more. Early studies in 2025 revealed that Gliese 12ba may actually have an atmosphere, a protective layer that could shield water on its surface and perhaps even nurture life. This combination of water and atmosphere makes it stand out among the thousands of exoplanets we've found. If Gliese 12b truly holds on to its atmosphere, it might be one of the closest, most Earth-like worlds ever discovered. A planet where the dream of finding life beyond Earth feels closer than ever before. At number 4, TRAPPIST-1e. This fascinating planet belongs to one of the most famous systems ever discovered, the TRAPPIST-1 system, home to 7 rocky worlds, only 40 light-years away. TRAPPIST-1e is almost the same size as Earth and lies in the perfect position to allow liquid water to exist. Unlike its siblings, TRAPPIST-1e receives just enough warmth from its red dwarf star, making it one of the most habitable planets in the system. In 2025, the James Webb Space Telescope revealed a breakthrough discovery. Data showed that TRAPPIST-1e possesses a thin atmosphere, not too heavy, not too thin, but just right for supporting microbial life. This delicate balance makes it an ideal world for the search for life beyond our solar system. Imagine looking up from its surface, seeing a dim red sun in the sky and 6 neighboring planets lined up like jewels. TRAPPIST-1e is more than just a planet. It is a reminder that entire families of worlds may be waiting for us, each with its own story to tell. At number 3, Proxima Centauri b, the closest exoplanet to Earth, only 4 light-years away. If humanity ever dreams of visiting another star system, this would likely be our first destination. Proxima b orbits within the habitable zone of its small red dwarf star. That means conditions may allow for liquid water, perhaps even vast oceans across its surface. For scientists, water means potential life. But there's a challenge. Its host star, Proxima Centauri, is known for powerful solar flares that could strip away atmospheres and sterilize a planet. Yet in 2025, new climate and atmospheric models brought hope. They suggest that Proxima b may still retain a protective atmosphere thick enough to shield its surface from deadly radiation. If that's true, then Proxima Centauri b could be not just a rocky world, but a living one, a planet close enough that one day future generations of humans might journey there, searching for oceans, for life, and perhaps for new beginnings. At number 2, Kepler 452b, often called Earth 2.0. This distant world lies about 1,400 light-years away. Though far beyond our reach, it has captured the imagination of scientists and dreamers alike. Kepler 452b is about 60% larger than Earth, yet it orbits a star much like our own Sun. Most importantly, it lies in the star's habitable zone, the region where liquid water could exist. Water, after all, is the key to life as we know it. In 2025, updated data revealed even more astonishing details. Kepler 452b's may not just have oceans, but also the potential to sustain lush forests across its surface. A world with both land and water where life could thrive in ways strikingly similar to Earth. Though we cannot reach it with today's technology, Kepler 452b reminds us of what may await in the cosmos, a true twin to our own planet, and perhaps a glimpse into the future of Earth itself. And the last is K2-18b. This extraordinary exoplanet, only 124 light-years away, has shaken the scientific world. In 2025, the James Webb Space Telescope made a groundbreaking discovery. It detected dimethyl sulfide, or DMS, and dimethyl disulfide, DMDS, in the atmosphere of K2-18b. On Earth, these compounds are produced exclusively by living organisms, often by marine life. And on K2-18b, they were not found in trace amounts, but at unusually high concentrations. For scientists, this is the strongest evidence yet that life beyond our solar system may already exist. K2-18b may not be just another distant planet. It could be a living world, orbiting a cool red star with clouds, oceans, and perhaps even ecosystems we can only imagine. If confirmed, this would be one of the greatest discoveries in human history. Proof that we are not alone in the universe. Thank you so much for watching this journey through the wonders of the universe. Every planet, every moon, and every star we discover brings us one step closer to answering the greatest question of all. Are we alone? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. It really helps us reach more curious minds like you. And make sure to subscribe so you won't miss our next exploration into black holes, alien worlds, and the incredible mysteries of space. Together, let's keep looking up, because the universe is vast, beautiful, and full of secrets waiting to be uncovered.